Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to find the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. Okay, so now a symbol of a determinant would be determinant of A, so it will be written something like this. Okay, so now if I were to rewrite this matrix in a form of a determinant, I will do this. I would say 1 minus 1 3 7 1 2 5 0 1. Okay, so now I am going to use cofactor expansion to find the determinant of A. Okay, so now in order for you to be able to use cofactor expansion, you must simply know what we call the checkerboard. Okay, so here for all our entries for 3x3 matrix, we have positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so this is our checkerboard. So now here's the thing. So if I were to use this row, the third row, to find my determinant for this matrix, so this is what I would do. The first value would be multiplied by positive, the second value by negative, the third by positive. Okay, so I would have 5 multiplied by, okay, the determinant of these entries. So why am I saying this entry? So because of I'm focusing on 5, I'm going to block this column and this row. You see? Okay. So now it means I will have negative 1, 3, 1, and 2. Okay. So now here I'm going to put minus 0 multiplied by. Okay. Although I know 0 multiplied by anything is 0, but let's just do it. Okay, so 0 multiplied by, why did I put negative here? I put negative because of this negative on the checkerboard. Okay, so now I'm going to block this column and this row. So I'm going to have 1, 3, 7, and 2. Okay, and then here what sign am I going to have? Here on the checkerboard is positive, so I'm going to have plus. Now I'm going to block this column and this row, so I'm going to have 1 multiplied by 1, negative 1, 7, and 1. Okay, so now let's continue. So here I'll have 5 into negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 minus 3. So here 1 times 3 minus 3. Okay, so here we will have 0 minus 0. Okay, plus 1 into 1 times 1 is 1, minus into 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Okay, so now here I'm going to have 5 multiplied by negative 5, which is negative 25. So and then here I have 1 plus 7, which is 8. Okay, negative 25 plus 8. So now the answer is, so now as you can see, the answer is negative 17. Okay, so notice that we use the row to find this determinant. So we can use a column as well. We can use column number 2. Okay, so when we use column number 2, this is going to happen. Okay, so notice the checkerboard, we have negative, positive, negative. So we'd have minus into minus 1, this minus 1, and then now let's block this column and that row. So we are going to have 7, 2, 5, 1. Okay, so now plus 1. Okay, 1 multiplied by we're going to block this one and that one, so we'll have 1, 3, 5, 1. Okay, so now the last one is negative. We're going to have negative, so negative of what? Of 0 multiplied by, we'll block this one and that one. You see, so we'll have 1, 3, 7, 2. Okay, so now let's go ahead here. Here I have negative times negative, which is positive 1. Okay, so now here the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, I have 7 times 1, which is 7, minus 5 times 2, which is 10. Okay, plus here I have 1 times 1, which is 1, minus 15. Okay, and then here we have 0. Okay, so here 7 minus 10, negative 3. Plus here 1 minus 15 is negative 14. So here I have negative 3 minus negative 14, which is negative 17. So you see we still have the same answer. So now this is the method of cofactor expansion. Okay, thank you. See me on the next video.